Hello, family and friends. This is Beverly Black, and I hope everyone is doing very well today. We are here today for Temu. Temu. We are going to be doing a review. I have some clothing, some shoes, some cross purses, just different things I want you to see in this order that I have received from Temu. And if you haven't heard of Temu, you getting ready to know about them now. They will give a 30% discount when you order for them from the first time. So I will have the discount and my link to it in this video. I also will try to put in all the prices for everything that I try on or what I show you to have a picture of it or the price there so you can see it. So hang around so you can see this Temu review for today. There it is. My first try on is this dress. I absolutely love it. It goes all the way to the floor. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it is a long dress. I like the long sleeves and I like the colors that are in it. And it has a button right here at the top. The second dress is this one. I love it. I love these sleeves, but I ordered it too big. This is too big and it's supposed to fall off your shoulders. I'm not a shoulder fall off person, but it comes like this. But I absolutely love this dress. Ooh, look at here. Let me get up closer so you can see these sleeves. It's wrinkled because it came out of the bag. And Temu, they send the dresses in these bags like this, which are very nice, and you can save and reseal them and use them for other things. But this dress, I like. All of the clothing so far, I love. This is the third dress, and it has pockets. I love the coloring in it. The material feels good. I like anything with pockets. So this is dress number 3. The last outfit is this jogging set. It's 2-piece, long sleeves. They have pockets. And you see at the bottom how it's made at the bottom. It is very, very comfortable. I like it. I love the color. It's between a peach and a pink. It's a different color. But this is very nice and comfortable. Let me let you know, I am not a model. So that was one bag. My second bag, let me show you these tennis shoes. Well, people don't say tennis shoes anymore. They say sneakers. Some people don't even know what the word tennis shoes is. But look, they are beautiful. And they're comfortable. They are very, very comfortable. I also got these slides or sandals or whatever you want to call them. They are comfortable also. I tried them on. I like the bottoms. Had some good support there. Okay, let's see what else we got. This is nice. Show it to you up close. Look. Look at, and I want you to see the inside, the different compartment it has. You can put your credit cards there. You can put your phone here and work it from the back. Make sure there's nothing else in here. You can put your ID in here, and here is the to go around it where you can wear it on your shoulder. And here's a compartment in the front. I like this one. I like it all. There's nothing that came today that I didn't like. I was like a little kid at Christmas time. I have a mess everywhere. Oh, and then I tell you that Temu, they have free shipping. FREE. Free shipping. And you get it quick. You do. And they have a 90-day guarantee, a 90-day return. So if you need to return it in 90 days, you can. Free. Here you go. This is another little cross purse. And there's the handle to go on that. Let's hook it up and see how she looks. I have really, really enjoyed everything that I have gotten out of here from Temu. So please check it out. For first-time user, you can get 30% off. You cannot beat that. And they are always my dishwasher is through. They are always, well, I can't get it open right now, so I'm not going to mess with it. They're always sending out emails about sales and different discounts. And you can get a free gift. I mean, just different things. It's just unbelievable. And they are in competition. I can see that right now with that other company that you have to pay to get your shipping. And with Temu, your shipping is free. So I hope everyone has enjoyed this today. This is my first time doing a try on. I am not a model, but I love everything I got in that package. I will be ordering more clothes. Be careful of your sizing. For the US, over here, the sizing is pretty much to our size. But when you get the overseas size, make sure you get it a little bit larger. But and the plus size, that dress that I love so much, the black and beige dress, why did I order that in the 4X? Just tell me why. But anyway, I'm going to get it doctored up so it will fit me the way I want it to fit. And I am going to love that dress. I love this little jogging set. I want you to see the sleeves up here now. I didn't show you that, how it's made. It is so comfortable. But I want to thank you all. This is my first Temu haul. My first Temu haul. Be looking for more, because more, I guess I need to turn it the right way, had it upside down. More will be coming. Everyone, I like to thank you for coming by today, for spending time with me while I did this try on and showed you. Oh, one more. I forgot about this. I got one thing for home decor. This beautiful vase. And they have a lot of dupes, y'all. I'm going through it and check it out. Check out these dupes. This is one right here. Will you look at this little vase? It is gorgeous. Look at this little vase. Just divine. It will set off any decor. Just a little hint of white or a little hint of black there, it'll do it. Just like your gold and silver. So again, everyone, have a blessed and prosperous day. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Come on and be a part of this family. Most of all, I want you to remember that I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are his masterpiece. Everyone be blessed and prosperous. Bye-bye.